How to stop pop-up ads on Android. So now locate your settings application and open. Scroll down until you find the apps option. On the upper right corner of your screen, you will find three dots. Tap that icon and select Reset App Preferences, and then tap Reset. So from here, you can now uninstall all the apps that you think are causing the pop-up ads. So usually the apps that causes these pop-up ads are those cleaning apps. For instance, this Keep Clean application. So to uninstall, tap on the application, and then on the bottom part of your screen, you will see three options: open, uninstall, and force stop. Select uninstall and choose OK. Now you have uninstalled the apps. Now do the same process to all of the cleaning applications that you have. Once you are done, you can now restart your phone and see if there are any more pop-up ads. And that is how you stop pop-up ads on Android. Thank you and have a great day.